Hello everyone, welcome to RTP Regional Real Estate Report Episode 6. This is Valerie Chan, your trustable real estate agent in RTP area in North Carolina and from On the Move team at eXp Realty. So in the last two episodes, I talked about 11 cities in RTP area, specifically the real estate market in last December and compared the data with those in last November. Then I've got a message suggesting me to compare the data with December 2022. So in this episode, I'm going to talk about the real estate related data in the selected 11 cities in last December, last November, and also December 2022, so that I can give you a more clear understanding about what happened in the real estate market in these cities. And hopefully it will give you good reference for you to make a decision for the future. Let's have a quick review about the cities we choose. Raleigh, Cary, Morrisville, Apex, Holly Springs, Garner, Wake Forest, Durham, Chapel Hill, Pittsboro, and Sanford. The indicators we use are home for sale, closed sales, monthly supply, median sold price per square foot, and average sold price per square foot. So before we start, let me make this clear, because there are a lot of data and it's going to take a lot of time to explain them. To make things simpler, I'm going to just talk about the trends. As for the specific data, I put them under the chart. But if you still prefer something more, you're welcome to contact me and I can provide whatever you want. Okay, now let's start. Homes for sale. In this chart, green columns stand for the number in last November. Blue ones are for data in last December, and the orange ones are for December 2022. In the following charts, the colors are always stand for the same thing, so I'm not going to repeat anymore. From this chart, we can see only in Chapel Hill and Sanford, the homes for sale in last December decreased a little bit compared with last November and increased compared with December 2022. For the other cities, the numbers in last December decreased, no matter compared with that in last November or December 2022. Closed transactions. From this chart, we can see in last December, in all these 11 cities, the numbers dropped dramatically, no matter compared with last November or December in 2022. Comparatively, Sanford dropped the least, with the closed transaction in last December were about 50% of that in last November and that in December 2022. Monthly supply. Firstly, let's take a look about the entire TMLS. In last December, monthly supply is 2.3, dropped a little bit from last month, increased a little bit from December 2022. In the 11 selected cities, most of them include Raleigh, Cary, Morrisville, Apex, Garner, Holly Springs, Durham, Chapel Hill. They all have lower monthly supply than the entire MLS. And among them, in Cary, Morrisville, Apex, Holly Springs, and Chapel Hill, the monthly supply in last December decreased from last November and December 2022. So median sold price per square foot. Let's take a look about the entire MLS. In last December, The median sold price per square foot was $204 per square foot, decreased a little bit than last November and increased than December 2022. Cities where the median sold price per square foot increased from last November and December 2022 include Raleigh, Cary, Apex, Chapel Hill. Cities where median sold price per square foot decreased from last November and December 2022 include Morrisville, Garner, Holly Springs, Wake Forest, and Pittsburgh. Let's take a look about average sold price per square foot. For the entire MLS, the average sold price per square foot in last December is $212, decreased from last November and increased from December 2022. Cities where average sold price per square foot are higher than that in last November and that in December 2022 include Raleigh, Cary, Apex, and Chapel Hill. Cities where average sold price per square foot are lower than last November and that in December 2022 include Morrisville, Holly Springs, and Pittsburgh. I hope all this data will be helpful for you to understand the real estate market in RTP area. And finally, we will help you to make a decision about buying a house or selling your house. So no matter sell or buy, Valerie Chan is always on your side. My telephone number is 984-710-6853. I and my team will do our best to fulfill your goal. Thanks for watching. So much for today. Bye-bye.